Have you ever struggled to add channels to your IPTV box quickly and easily? Today, we're diving into the straightforward way to enhance your IPTV experience in minutes. Before we start, check out 2tv.store for the best IPTV provider and endless channels. First, make sure your IPTV box is connected to a strong internet connection without interruptions. Next, navigate to the settings on your IPTV box using the remote control in your hand. Locate the option for Add Channels or similar, often found under Channel or System Settings. Enter the M3U URL or playlist URL provided by your IPTV service like 2tv.store. Double-check you've entered the URL correctly to avoid any errors or missing channels. Click Save, Apply, or Update to import the channels from your provider efficiently. Now, let's verify if the channels have been successfully added to your IPTV box. Navigate through the channel list using your remote and enjoy exploring new content. If you encounter issues, revisit earlier steps or consult 2tv.store's support page. Remember, a reliable provider like 2tv.store ensures seamless access to numerous channels. For faster service and incredible options, check the link in the description right away. We hope this tutorial makes your IPTV channel addition experience smooth and effortless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful IPTV tips and tricks.